Hi, I'm Kim from KimberlyDonRempel.com. I'm also the host of my Facebook group, Marketing Savvy Authorpreneurs. I work with authors and entrepreneurs to grow their online presence, and today I want to offer you my social media crash course for free. So what we're going to do is I'm going to drop some knowledge and put some quality tools in your hand to help you market effectively online. So in this 3-module video course, you'll discover how to sell things without feeling salesy or gross. We'll talk about where and when to post online for maximum reach and effectiveness. And I'm also going to show you some stuff that'll help you skyrocket your engagement and your awareness right now. So some of these tips have helped me to do some really cool stuff, including get my clients increased engagement, even 400%. It's pretty amazing. Where they were getting 1 to 5 comments before on their posts, they're now routinely getting 20, sometimes more, sometimes less. And it's also helped me to skyrocket my clients' engagement without being chained to my laptop, which I'm super excited about. And I'm going to show you how to do all that. So, ready to skyrocket your social media presence for free? How can you say no to free, right? Okay, bring it on. Let's do this. I can hardly wait to help you with this, and I hope to see you inside.